So we're live for live stream 403. I am hoping that this live stream here actually works, because I've been having difficulties. I have been having difficulties. So been having difficulties with my streaming software. Let's see your videos. Let's see what we want to do here. Okay. Let's lock that into place. Okay, so we've come up to this volume area here on this profile. Let's see. Rejection takes us on this one here. Do I really want to take this short? Let's see. No, I'll just trade just the profiles from. I'm just going to trade the profiles that taken place here. Let's see. Moving directionally higher. Well, let's see. Let's close this one off. More actions, delete forever. Okay, so we're gonna put these on private. Yeah, let's do private. Private. I'm just doing some housekeeping. Okay, let's see. The thing about it is, this silver here, I'm really tempted to take it. I'm really tempted, to be honest. I'll tell you what. Sell us in. What in the world? What was that? Okay. Oh, hold on. Oh my. Yeah. It looks like it's going to be a quick stop out. That's why I was a bit cautious about it. I was a little bit cautious about it. I can't really risk 90. Gotta have at least 1-to-1. Do you need to see more than this? Probably not. Take it off. I don't need to see 99 to keep it on. Oh, honestly, if this doesn't. Mm. Mm. 45. You know what? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Hmm. Mm. Let's see, what's our weak profile? If it's a weak profile, I'd seem to have had decent volume. Good thing I took that trade off. Now we can actually get this off the. So we ran into that high volume there. And we're trading back inside. Can I interest you in a short? Mm. Mm. I'll try to take a short here. Let's see. Hi, how was your day today? I've just started. It's not started well. Hoping that I can certainly have some improvements. How's your training been? Have you had a successful day so far, or have you just got to the charts? Bizarre trader. Some joker keeps buying this thing up. Might be a stop out. Looking for sellers to come in here. I'm not sure if they want to play ball. Hopefully we can pick up some momentum, trade through these lows and pick up momentum and not find buyers again. Let's see. So target is there. Let's see. 50% of the way to the target. You know what? Let's go with that. We get that alert trigger. We're going to adjust our stop to break even. We get triggered at 78,345. We'll adjust our stop to break even. Okay, so adjust it to break even there. May get stopped out just based on the volatility we're seeing for another loss, but we'll see. We'll see. We will see. Looks like it's going to be a stop out. Buyers have stepped back in. Yeah. Another stop out. It's just chopping around here. We are chopping around. Okay, I've had enough of this area. I'm going to leave it be for a while. So, what in the world? How much did I lose? We lost 6 there. And lost 66, so lost about 72. Lost about 72. Who knows? Maybe I'm too aggressive with the shorts. It was a nice day on gold. Was a little annoyed with the little divergence I had on gold and silver at the opening range. Oh, come on. Should have been more patient. Oh, my word. Took a loss there. Only to watch it go and hit target. Well. Lesson learned. Hopefully. Too aggressive with the trail stop right there. Took a loss. Could have had a decent gain. It was a nice day on gold. A little annoyed. Divergence I had at gold silver at the opening range. The 9:30 opening range New York time. Wow, look at our friends over at NQ continuing to move to the upside. So I took a loss right there. I think the earlier loss as well would have been stopped on the earlier loss, so that was a good exit. Let's go have a look at that gold silver die. This might not be interesting. Seems I may not get anything else today. Gold silver divergence. Silver. Gold. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. It's actually gonna sell off. Kick rocks, man. No, so I mark my charts on a COMEX open 820 to 822. Okay. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I need to be more patient. Look at this. I need to be more patient. Unreal. Ha. How many more opportunities? There's an opportunity right there, an opportunity right there. So many opportunities. So let's have a look. So you're looking at the Comex 8. Oh, battery's low. Look at the momentum picking up. I guess I was early. Exited early as well. Comex 20. 20. Actually. It's this candle right here. Oh, so it's in this area. Nice. So imagine you went long. Really nice trade right there. Pretty much picked up the lows. $8.22. Nice trade right there, Zah. Nice trade. Where's my... Oh, what's happened to it? Oh, there it is. I don't think... Zah, do you look at gold during the Asian session? Or do you primarily trade pre-market New York? White House Secretary. That's it. Shoots involved. Nice. Okay. Let's see. SNQ is just moving higher. It's not pulling back, giving me re-entries. Guess we're going to 26,000. Guess it's 26,000. Oh wow, the ES is up at 7,000. Don't think I've seen that before. Don't believe I have. Look at the daily chart. Yep, new all-time highs. Market's at new all-time highs. I wonder if it's the same for our friends over at NQ. Not quite. NQ has some work to do. Oh, I don't know why it's giving me the alert so late. I'm not going to have any setups for a while. I guess I am going to have to just simply be patient and wait. Suppose I should put this out there so anybody that's tuning in can get an idea. I wish I could, but a bit late for me. I do dabble London Open. Yeah, I think I was. Let's see. Let's look at gold during Europe. No, it's not bad. I'm not going to be using this level anymore. I didn't allow the trades to work out, so. Interesting. It's interesting at the high volume right here. So I need like a tool. Whatever that tool is. So we can see here. Zara, do you primarily trade commodities or do you trade the equities, cryptos, so on? Gotta be kidding me. I'm gonna take a short here. So we've come into this high volume area here. seeing if we can get the, seeing if I can get the, just stop to break even again. Not good. No. Not good. Oh wow. There we go. Oh, come on. Get down to target. Come on, let's not do this. One tick from target. Come on. Come on, it's hit target. I've just not been filled. Come on. There we go. There we go. So I guess that level is still working with all this volume involved. It's from this level that was taken around about around 7 Eastern. 7 Eastern, all the volume that was built over here. Let's see. I think I am about break even on the day. I'm not sure. I'm probably still down. Let's have a look. What's the date? Let's see. The 7th. It is the 7th. Let's see. 681. I'm at 682. So I'm at break even. Still at break even. So maybe I should sell box. Potentially a dangerous area. Building some consolidation here on our friends over at NQ. What's the range currently on NQ? Let's have a look. What is the CDR? 263. Current high-low range, 263 points. ES is at 31.50. Gold, $79.5. Bitcoin, I believe it's still 3,050, so it's still trading inside. Futures and commodities. Hold on, I'm just listening to some podcasts. Let's see. Futures and commodities. London, I tend to look at micro, DAX, and gold. During the New York session, micro, gold, and NQ. Nice. Yeah, those are nice instruments. Have good volatility. No, the DAX is similar to the Nasdaq in terms of volatility. I wonder where the DAX is trading these days. Oh, I don't even have the data for it. I wonder if there's like a CFD. Oh, it's trading around about the same as the Nasdaq, around 25,000. Okay. Let's see. Silver. I need to get a better handle on silver. For an instrument that I trade, I don't. All I do is scalp momentum on it. And the reason I trade silver is because, see, it's a bit more spready. There's a bit more of a spread. We can see it with the bid ask. We can see on the chart here. You can see a bit of a gap between that. But it certainly feels like it's got quite a bit more volatility. Well, it certainly does. If you can look at the percentage moves, it's got more volatility than gold. And also, as normal with volatility, do have increased risk. So you do have increased risk. See, gold is just like non-tradable for me. Just seems to be in a bit of a range. It's gone to the bottom of the range and it's finding buyers. And beneath us, look, we've got 3 profiles within one area. So we've got the master profile. And yes, we broke through here and broke back up. Goodness me, could get even more profiles in this. Look at that. A lot of volume was conducted down here before this move higher. What instrument chart is this? This should be silver. This should be Nasdaq, so. This might be a break-even day for me. Because if both instruments keep trading inside, I'm not going to force a trade. Especially with the light volume we're looking at as well. Volume's not too bad on gold at 170,000 for the time of day. But we're less than 1 million. Not even close. Not even at 700,000. So. And we've still got the rising profiles over here on the Nasdaq. Suppose we had the dual profile down here through this area. Where we consolidated before breaking higher, but we'll see how this works itself out. We will see. I wonder what's happened in crypto world today. Let's get rid of that. Tech profiles, periodic profile. I suppose I should look at the actual big Bitcoin. This, oh my word, that's horrible. Is this Coinbase? No, that's Bitstamp. Coinbase. That looks a lot cleaner. Goodness me. So we're just having consolidations move higher. I guess I'm not going to get an NQ trade today. I'm not liking what I'm seeing on silver at the moment. Seeing gaps between bars. Not liking that. Not liking that. Likely suggests the market's slowing down quite a bit. I'm going to have to step away from the charts. Nah. I'll be watching in the background, so maybe I'll set an alert right here. And let's see. Maybe if we break above the highs here. Maybe interested in looking again at silver. So I'll just patiently wait and wait to see what this market wants to do. Really interesting. Really interesting. Ran into this area. Failed a few times. Breaking back down. Interesting. Interesting. Mm. So retested that high volume point from this area here. From this congestion. Hmm. I think this might be that value trade. Okay. So, I can't. There's no way. There's no way. There's no. What in the world? That is not the default. There we go. Really, there's no way I can take a short here. This is trading at. Oh, then again, ES is trading at all times highs, not the Nasdaq. But do I really want to take a short here? Do I want to take the risk? I'll tell you what I'll do. Let's see. Oh, look, there's that. Let's go with that. Oh, no, that's not where we need it to be. We need to be there. I'll be interested if we sell further on gold, but might be pushing it. Just got stopped on the last runner. Just watching if silver can break below 77.45. Let's go have a look at that. 77.45. Oh, down at this value area low. 77.45. So interesting. Let's run around gold. Oh, come on. Okay, let's see. What would I need to see here? It's either a buy down here or pullback rejection sell. I don't think I'm going to get that pullback I'm looking for over on the old NASDAQ. To sell out of this area. Don't think I'm going to get it, unfortunately. Doesn't look likely. Trading at 61s. I've got this 54, or essentially 55. Oh, goodness. Let's look to the left. Looks like we're getting down to that 45. There's our. We're at 53. Oh, okay. So I've got a new profile. I've got a new profile already. Profile inside a profile. This is something I hate seeing. Sure. Oh, kick rocks. I think you said 77.45. Let's go. Great call right there, Zar. Down to 77.45. Interesting to see sell further on gold, but might be pushing it. Just got stopped. See, so it came below open. 77.45. You said open zone. Let's see. Oh, come on. It's not going to pull back and give me a setup short. Golly, come on. Come on, NQ. Need to get to 72. Currently trading 59s. Bit of a pickle at the moment. Over on silver. So let's see. Got some volume right there. Built some volume down here on our friends at the Nasdaq. Didn't quite get down to the 54.75. We're using the 25s. Silver's continuing down 4%. Oh, you're going down to 54.75. Ah, golly. Trade setup went without me. On the old Nasdaq. Okay. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. It is not the end of the world. Look at the buyer stepping in. Suppose the next buy is sitting down at 47. So seeing a pullback in silver. Going to be watching closely here. Seeing if we can get the rejection. Okay. Where are we? Up 0.5% on the day on Nasdaq. Oh, come on, don't buy here. I need you to go down to 47. We've gone down to 47.75. I need price to get down to 47.25. It's one tick. Fuck. Kick rocks, man. Not going to be too upset. It may still set up. It may still set up. So, okay, we're coming into an area that I may be that I'm interested in silver. Oh, hold on a second here. Does it go down to the value? No, the value area loads down to 38. Golly. I guess this is gonna go without me. I guess this is gonna go without me. So run into some volume there. Okay, got some bias stepping in silver. Interesting. Just tested a high volume point developing. Sellers have stepped back in, so might be on the backside of the upside move. Maybe on the backside. Oh well, whatever the case, it looks like we're about to set up long and our friends at silver. Okay. Let's go long in silver. There's our target. Oh my gosh, it's going to stop me out, isn't it? What in the world? So put an alert right there, or just stop the break even 50% of the way to the target. Okay. Let's see. Needed buyers to step in by now. Got volume moving down. Bad sign. Bad sign in the old silver. Long. Long in the old Nasdaq here. Let's see. Stop comes down to here. Golly. About to be stopped out. Here we go. About to be stopped out in the old silver. About to be stopped out in the old silver. That was a little bit early. Losing 135. A little bit early right there. Hmm. Let's move this up there. I wonder what this is about. Let's see. Well, well, well. Not a good sign for a reversal. Seems more like a continuation. Should have been bullish, 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 bullish. The fact that we had a green candle, a doji, gonna be stopped out there as well. Not a good set of trades. Volume moving down. We're not ready yet on silver, so more waiting. So what, we've run down to that value area low. It's not as if I'm targeting it anyway, but after this move down, I would have hoped that would have seen a bit of a reversal on the old Nasdaq off this candle with such a large wick, but it's not to be. It is not to be. Like, who's serious to keep selling this, man? Okay, so we're not ready again over on the silver. Look at this, we've closed below this close here. It's not great. It's not looking good. Probably need a higher high at some point. But seeing lower highs. It's probably gonna. Oh, hold on. Oh, hold on. Where did that finish up? Well, we're in. We are in, so we are in. So that's all we can do. Take the trade. Now we are in. Oh, goodness me. Risking 141. Goodness me. Got halfway to target. I just stopped to break even. Yeah. Maybe I should just keep the stop where it is. Oh, I should be getting stopped out over here. Being stopped out. Being stopped out on the old Nasdaq. That's a designated stop. You know what? Keep the designated target where it's supposed to be. If I get a bad fill, then it is what it is. So let's keep the designated target where it's supposed. Oh my word! Come on. There we go. Fill me. He's got 2 target. Come on. There we go. At least I've offset some of the losses. 117, lost 135 previously. Let's see. I've lost 50 over here. So it's not necessarily the best. It is not the best, but we'll see. We will see. Wonder if we're going to reject out of this area. Who knows? It'd be nice if we did. So we got high volume there. Yeah, the highest volume for quite some time. Mm. 786. Is this going to set up again long on the NASDAQ? Huh. Imagine. Imagine. I think I'm giving this area one more chance, and that is it. Have I used this level before? Don't believe I have. Nice long saw, similar setup on gold. Yeah, it's I'm just a little bit annoyed the fact that I went long here, got stopped out before going long again. I certainly could have done without that stop out, but you know, losses are part of trading. That's like so it's up in gold. I wonder what gold looks like. Let's see. I can't really take a short here, can I? Yeah, let's take it. Ooh, that's not really a great fill, is it? Not a great fill. Golly, these oh my word. Hold on, is that 50%? I believe that's 50%. Yeah, that's 50%. We got to adjust our stop to break even here. We've got to adjust the stop to break even. Oh, come on. Go down and fill me. I need this. I need this. Golly. I'm gonna be stopped out. Golly. Is this not wanting to get stopped out gonna cost me here? We'll ultimately see. Because we've gone down to about 50% to the target. And normally it's a just stop to break even. But because it kept coming back, I decided to move the stop to the default position. So, oh my word. Yeah. Yeah, this is gonna not work. Should have took the stop out of break even. Yeah. It's always the case. It is always the case. It's always the case. Anyway, so let's see. Nasdaq is still being a pain. I need to figure something out with this because I can't be risking 132 to pick up 105. Hold on, where was the actual default target? It was right there. 47. 47. No. This Joker's moving higher. Went to the well too many times. Should have discounted this area. Especially should have kept that stop break even stop on. Oh well. It is what it is. It is what it is. Taking a risk, accept it now. So you're putting a fair amount of volume down here, so. Mm. I see him buying across NQ, so. That seems to have based out as well. About to be stopped out over here. Stopped out. Long Nasdaq. Da da da. Add to that position. Why is Nasdaq such a pain in the ass, man? It's going to show that I should have discounted this area a long time ago. Nasdaq is such a pain in the ass. Oh, should be short. Fuck. Oh, golly. Of course, this Nasdaq isn't working. Oh, my word. Well, looks like it's going to be a bad day. Looks like a bad day. Another big losing trade incoming. There we go. There we go. It makes me think about a longer cross the valley area. On the In other news, seems that Nasdaq may get to target. It's not going to be worth much. It's not going to be worth much. Oh, you look away from the charts and you flipping miss it, man. Man, jeez, the fucking miss. Oh my word. You just look away and you miss it, man. Oh my word. Anyway, let's go with this one. Hmm. I guess I am wrong. Oh, oh, not enough funds. Huh, I guess the account's on life support. The account is on life support. Officially. Life support. Ah, I am done. I am done for. I am done for. Here we go. Silver's about to crush me. Silver's about to crush me, so I am done. And so is my friends over at NASDAQ. Yes, yikes indeed. I am about to get crushed. I'm going to have to go into exile for a while. I am about to go into exile. Banished from trading futures markets. The question is, how long am I going to be banished for? Well, we're currently on the 7th of Jan. So, banishment, what would be suitable? Let's see. Maybe I'll be back in February. Hold on, I should probably mark that on there. Let's see. I'm going to be banished anyway, so why not? If you're going to be banished anyway, why not go for broke? When I do get stopped out, which I do think is inevitable. If you were a seller at those highs, you cannot be comfortable. If you were selling the 7806, there's no way you're comfortable with prices trading up at 96. There's no way. There's absolutely no way you are comfortable right now. There's absolutely no way you are comfortable. There is no way you are comfortable. You know what? Let's go for broke. Let's go for broke. Let's go for broke. Oh, actually, I should see where the target. I think the target was around. Was it there? 54.75. Let's say get down to that level. We'll adjust our stop to break even. We get down to, let's Let's see. 285. 285. Get down there. We'll just start we're locking like 200 or something. Big old roll of the dice. A big roll of the dice. Let's look at the damage on the account. Let's see. Oh, actually, let's see. I need another window. So, let's see. Oh my. Huh. So we got down to target, but it's not like I'm looking for target now, am I? Hmm. So, we will see. I think. So the account balance, let's drag that out. So the current account balance, you can see there, 366. Started the day up at 681. So I'm about to go on hiatus. I'm going to be off the mic, so I'll let both trades play out. The fact that the sellers aren't there on, what's this, silver. They're just not there. We just keep getting bought off the 77,800s. Just keep getting bought. Imagine if this was to come back, eh? I suppose the stop was all the way up here, wasn't it? Well, we're already rolling the dice, so it doesn't make much difference. What's a break even amongst friends? Looking for a big sell-off and volatility that's not there. So I'm going to be off the mic. I'll let these trades play out. I'll come back, wrap the video, and in all likelihood take the old sabbatical until Feb. Oh, I was just away from the chart, so I've just decided to come back and how's your trading going? Terribly. Let's see. I am here. My goodness, I'm working on my order flow. I'm improving the point where it's like I can see the future. That's good. How's your trading going? Terribly. You may be muted. Yep, I'm unmuted now. Yeah, it's not been going great, mate. It's not been going good. It's not been going good. I'm about to have to take a bit of a hiatus, mate. Going into exile for the rest of the month. Likely to return February. Was it Ethereum again today, or was it Bitcoin? I might as well just move it to the highs. Yeah, I'll move it to the highs. What do you mean not going good? You're up 5R on NQ. Oh no. That Oh no. It's all the trading beforehand, mate. The trading beforehand has been terrible. Terrible. I think terrible is an understatement, to be honest. Terrible is a bit of an understatement. Of course, if I can get the NQ, then let's see, what would it be? It'd still be a bad day, but it won't be as bad. But it's not been great. It's not been great. Took a sledgehammer to the account today. Took an absolute sledgehammer to the account. It was Ethereum today. I started using the order flow and just kept getting winner after winner with an average 2R. I don't think I lost one. That's nice. I think this order might get rejected. Let's see. Available funds. It might get rejected, actually. It might get rejected. Oh, come on. Let's see. Short in a bull market. Probably not the best trading decision, is it? So you were in a flow state today on Ethereum. Went up to the plate. And you was knocking it out of the park. It's good to hear. Building a base here. I'm wondering if this is going to reverse. Whatever the case is. Yes, it was like everything just made sense. Well, yes, you're one with the market. You are one with the market. So we built quite a bit of volume down here. Wonder if we're going to come and retake this. We'll see. Well, the exile will be good for me. Gives me time to study. It will give me time to study. That looks like a strong trend on NQ. You know, the thing is, this NQ, I'll show you why I took the trade. So, it was literally based off these profile value areas. So, we had this profile here, which was our 12 New York time profile. And that's just the value area highs and lows and the rest of it. So this is just the main value of the profile. Price came back up to the profile. I think. Yep, I went short right here. Thought I'd be stopped out. Price just continued to sell off. Went into the profile. Turned around and just continued to sell. So that was pretty much it. That was a sell. Price came into the value. Had that bearish candle, went short. And just been holding it since. And that was pretty much the setup. That was pretty much the setup. So the target was already up there. So I've decided to just like, due to where the account is, let's just throw a random target out there of 203. So suppose we got this swing low right here. And we've got this area where we've got multiple POCs right there on several profiles down at the, say around that 860 to 855. So fairly tight in this area. We've got quite a few profiles. We've got this swing low like we did mention. But if we can successfully navigate this swing low, we should be able to get down to that 67.75 because the high volume points are around that 60 to 55. So we'll see. We'll certainly see. Well played. I would have hoped he would have worked out better on a couple of the other trades. Overtraded an area here on silver. Went short again, paid, short, paid, short, paid. And silver is just, it's just not worked out. It's just not worked out. So I do remember you did mention to have the full profiles on there. But what I forgot to say yesterday is I am using the value area high and the value area low. It's just I don't have them plotted on. I simply have the, where is it? Let's look at that. See, so I just don't have them plotted on, you see. All I do is just manually draw a box. So for example, see, the box corresponds with the value area high and the value area low. That's all these boxes are. That's all the boxes are. But we'll see. Don't think I'm going to get triggered into this silver, but where are we? Don't think there's enough volatility. We are trading all-time highs on our friends over at NQ. So maybe we want to make a new high before the end of the day. Who knows? If that is the case, I'm going to be stopped out. Who knows? Well, I'm going to step away from the chart. So, do you plan to switch to volume profile strategy? That's pretty much what I've been trading. I've not even... The strategy I've used in November, I've not actually used it much this year so far. I'm trying to use the volume profile, use order flow a bit more. I did understand doing that would have its teething problems, but oh wow. This might be a really quick stop out on silver here. This might be a quick stop out. Yep, it's going to be a quick stop out. So, silver's such a beast, man. Such a beast. Look how quickly it's got up there. So much volatility in it. Stopped out. It's definitely worth to learn. Your strategy will pretty much always work. Yeah, it's oh my, I just got an email. One of my 30-minute trades hit take profit. Let's go. Good work. I can't even switch because I've got the I've got a trade on. Oh, do I hate this job? I'd be happy to sit down and give you some pointers for volume profile if you're interested. I think after today, I'm going to need a mental break, to be honest, mate. I'll certainly be interested, but I think I'm going to need a mental break away from trading. Let's stay away from the charts for a couple of weeks. Do you mean volume profile from, well, I suppose you would say from an order flow perspective, including the, see, we've come up to high volume and we've put in this bearish candle. But this trade, buyers have stepped back in. Yeah, that psychology is one of the most important things in trading. Yeah, I'm mentally shot at the moment, to be honest. I think I'm due a mental break, to be honest, as well. So I think I'll take a break away. I don't think. I will be taking a break. Speak in the affirmative. May not get to target here on the old NQ. Yeah, I can tell you the strategy I've been using. I think win rate 1 minute is around 70%, 2 to 1, but I haven't tested much. Because if I do remember correctly, you focus on the 30-minute. I wonder what this would look like on a 30. Probably not silver. It's probably not the best instrument. Imagine if this just reverses all the way back up there. It doesn't matter. It does not matter. Well, I can't do that, can I? Let's have a look at silver in a 30-minute chart. Yep, I like 30-minute. Let's go with... Let's go with period. Let's go with a 30 period. The default target would have hit. Let's have a look. Hold on. Yep, 30-minute. But I mean 70% with 2 to 1. Pretty good though. Well, if you're net positive at the end of the month, then you're onto something. You see, I'm wondering whether this silver here is going to just traverse the value area. Like, could you imagine if it does that? Just traverses the entire value area. But I won't be in it. I will not be in it.
All right, guys, I figured.
Also, the P setup on NQ last time we played out perfectly. Oh, today. The thing, I drew one here. Let's have a look. Oh, I'm trading Nasdaq anyway. See, I drew one right here. I think I might have got it wrong though. I drew right here. Had a volume. Had that P. But price just broke out. Came back. Didn't follow through. See right now. No, last stream we had a P set up. It was a winner. Oh, when we were trading the range. It certainly was. I think the volatility is done for on silver here. Looks like a B on NQ. So that's a bearish. No. Yeah, I think it's the right one. Yeah, it certainly does look like a B. I like Bopara. Ethan, I'm just going to step away from the charts here. So, just giving you the heads up. If you don't hear anything from me, it's because I'm away from the charts. Hold on. With the B setup, there's a high chance of it continuing downward, then it reversing trend, though obviously it's not guaranteed.